Dude, 107, bro. 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 Scare you! Are you scared? And stop.
Jesus Christ.
I'm trying.
Boo! Boo!
Boo!
Boo!
Boo!
Oh. Here's someone?
Yep.
Two?
Up top, maybe?
At least two. Nope, right there.
Frag out.
Yep.
Frag.
Nice. Reloading. Oh no, I died.
Oh, Jesus.
I was like, okay, one,
Oh my God, this
two,
insane.
3 frags, and then I just try to move the. Oh, Dalton killed me.
Oh no.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, John, what the fuck?
What'd you
What
do?
a shit show.
I need to heal up.
Oh, oh no! Grenade! Oh no! You alive?
I'm dead. I'm dead.
I said I'm gonna frag it. You watch it.
John, you.
I'm doing pretty good. Oh, got fucking problems. Dude, you gotta stand up, take a walk, go smoke a cigarette, pull your fucking self together, brother. Like, you're embarrassing me. You're gonna be my fucking mammoth team member here. I'm embarrassed. Pull your shit together, son.
So gross.
Remember we were talking about how you're healthier than me? Fuck that, you're not healthier. Listen to yourself. God damn it. Get your shit together. It's out of control. Oh, there's guys. They're so strong. Why are they so fucking strong?
God, dude. Someone else is down here.
That was you reloading.
Oh! You dead? You dead? Die. There he
Stay
is.
here. Do we just end this for him and take his shit?
Hey man. I mean, you tell us. Don't shoot us. We're okay. What do you need?
Whoa!
Looks like me's back in the menu, boys!
Well, why are
Hold on.
you in mines?
I don't know.
Dude, we had a plan. Meet up fucking
Hold on.
and then link up.
I'm trying to get there, but I'm
there's mines.
limping.
No, John,
It's taking
mines.
forever.
Oh shit!
I just told you mines, John. Wubba wee
Wow, wow. Yeah, we're gonna get this.
You know, it'd be
My
sweet.
sister-
We could play and just speak Russian the entire time.
Niet.
And then-
John,
Come out. Don't
middle row. Oh no, it's me!
Oh shit!
Stop!
Ah! I want him. Got him.
God damn,
He's dead. Holy shit! What the?
Who's
Oh
dead?
my fuck,
Who's
I
dead?
don't have any help. Anybody got?
Oh my god!
Oh my
Yes!
god!
Come here! Come here!
Dude, that was.
Oh my-
Oh my god!
Oh my god! What else do you
Come on,
need?
save the stomach. Save the stomach. Come on. I need. I got heavy bleeding. Anybody got?
You're at Mount Holly.
Wow. What? What the hell is a nasty?
Those were words. Those were words.
Is it
Bro, I'm pacing myself, okay, bro? I'm so paced right now.
Is it?
My
I am.
God,
Olsen's the
oh,
most space guy I know. Is Isn't Mount Holly a
They're in Holly.
ski hill?
They're just
No,
chilling
like,
in Holly, bro.
The military burial site.
Mount Holly? That's a ski hill, man. it's
It's
I don't think it's
no.
buried.
What the fuck?
That's where Butts is buried. It's not Holly.
It's by there.
Oh,
It's by
man.
there.
What a fucking ruckus.
Oh, get